Hi, I am Junaid, and in this video, I am cutting thought the noise to show you the three specific fixes that actually work for the OBS blank screen glitches. Let's stop watching time and get your feedback online. Trying to record your webcam or gameplay on OBS, but all you're getting is a frustrating black screen. You have checked the cable and the camera work elsewhere, but OBS just won't show the feed. It's not a broken camera, it's configured class. Okay guys, let's start the video. After entering OBS, you will see a screen like this. Click on this plus icon here. Click here, you will get an option called display. Click OK here. You can also give the file name if you want. The capture method will be automatic like this. You will see the text select a display to capture in front of the display. You will click on the dark corner or on this the middle. Then you will see two options there. You will select the name of your monitor. Now as soon as you click on the OK button, your work will be finished. Screen will be recorded. I am already recording the video. I did not click on OK. So I am cancel now guys. I hope you understand. See you again in a new video.